You know, I think people tell me it's all about the work. At the end of the day, an individual wants to know that they're given challenges and the opportunities that are presented to them. And we spend a lot of time thinking about that because we live in a world where there's a lot more demand than there is supply from a people point of view. And we're trying to create an environment by which they choose to stay here. And in my view, it's a combination of the nature of the assignment or the work they're engaged in, wrapped with the unique culture of this organization. And when those two dots intersect is the sweet spot that has people choose to stay at online. I think where culture becomes relevant to the individual onliner is we work in an industry that's fairly complicated or complex, and there's going to be points in the delivery of our services where we run into challenges. And the individual onliner is going to want to know what kind of support network exists for me out there. So when I run into one of those difficult situations, is there an organization that stands behind me? And I think one of the key differences is when we go to market, our business development teams position online sales deliverables to clients, not individuals. And the subtle nuance there is that what that means is the entire organization stands behind those deliverables and then supports the people who are doing the delivery. Well, I think the nature of the work's important in that first we offer a broad range of services, so it appeals to a fairly broad skill set and wide range of people, ranging everywhere from tackling both business and technology challenges for our clients and often the intersection of the two. The delivery models that we deploy I think are attractive. They range everywhere from single individual assignments, typically a management consulting type opportunity, to large project teams. Not uncommon for us to have 50 people on a project team, for example, and a full range of services in between. And the other thing that happens often with services, we work in a very dynamic industry. So the things we focus on are helping our clients with today will be dramatically different a year from now. And the important thing is the relationship online has with their clients. So when the next wave of challenge or technology hits, they're coming to us to help them make sense of that. Things most recently like mobile computing or cloud, where before we were thinking about application development or integration, now clients are coming to us and asking us, help us make sense of this new thing called cloud computing or mobile. And then that becomes the opportunity we can provide to our people to then integrate with them and help solve those business and technology challenges.